Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe and press that bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. So today's video is again a perfume video, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite perfume brands, which is Thierry Mugler Perfumes. A little background on Thierry Mugler Perfumes is that it's owned by Manfred Thierry Mugler, who is a French fashion designer and is very well known for his Angel fragrance. His brand is one of my most favorite perfume brands, and I am excited to share 3 of my best favorite fragrances from this company. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get into it. So at number 1, I have Thierry Mugler's Alien, and if you watch my videos regularly, you would probably recognize this bottle, as I've mentioned it before in one of my previous perfume videos. I think it was my favorite perfumes one, and if you haven't checked that out, I'd put the link in the description box or put it up as a card right now. Anyways, this is one of my most favorite scents from this brand, and it's one of the most hyped perfume on YouTube. Anyone who's into perfume, I don't think they wouldn't know about this fragrance. It's just like a scent that any perfume lover just can't resist. Alien is a very sunny, sweetish and woody fragrance. Its top note is sunny Indian jasmine, middle note is cashmere wood, and base note is warm white amber. So overall, it's a very woody oriental scent. It's a 90 ml bottle, and you can tell it's very uniquely shaped. So at number 2, I have Thierry Mugler's Angel Muse. Angel Muse is a very uniquely styled gourmand fragrance. It's a sweet but not too sweet scent, and it gradually develops into a elegant gourmand scent. This oriental and fruity fragrance is a mix of red berries, pink pepper, hazelnut, cocoa, vetiver, and patchouli. This is a 100 ml bottle, and it is my number 2 on this list. So at number 3, I have Thierry Mugler's Manatee. This perfume opens up with notes of fresh fig leaves, and some sea notes. It's a very sweet, salty fragrance, and it's very different to the other fig scents I've tried. This fragrance smells like if you would have fig trees next to the beach. Some people say that the ocean beachy scent that it has kind of smells fishy to them, but I haven't noticed that at all. To me, it's just like it just reminds me of the ocean, salty water, and the sea breeze. Overall, it has a very summery vibe to it. It's a very summery, warm weather type of scent. It has notes of fresh fig, oceanic accord, fig wood, and leaves. It's a very natural, earthy scent, as you can tell by the notes, and it's mixed in with some of the beachy type of smells. It makes it very refreshing and a fresh type of fragrance. It's sweet but not too sweet, as the salty ocean scent kind of balances it out. But if you prefer very sweet, fruity, feminine, very girly type of scents, then you might just not like this one, because this has a more mature feel to it. It's more of a mature scent. Anyways, this is a 80 ml bottle I have here, and this, you can tell, is very uniquely designed bottle. I really like it. And it doesn't have a cap, it's more of a ring. It's very pretty. So overall, this brand is very unique, and they portray their personality, their creativity, their uniqueness very well through their fragrances and perfume bottle designs. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any favorite perfumes or any favorite perfume brands. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you have any other video suggestions for me. Until my next video, bye!